This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Paula Knight. Must see this 6,000 plus square feet. Unique home. Gorgeous views of Lake Barbara, floor to ceiling windows, sliding doors, patio area, deck that crosses the back of this custom built California open designed ranch style home. Cathedral ceilings. 5 bed, 3.5 bath, on 3.9 plus acres wooded waterfront property in Scotland Glen Subdivision. Fish from your backyard, go canoeing, paddle boating. Main level with open formal living and dining area, kitchen with newer 2021 appliances, adjoining family room with fireplace, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Main bedroom suite features entry to outside deck. Lower level has spiral staircase, 40'x30 recreation area, wall of windows and doors, views of the lake, social room with fireplace, exercise space, bedroom, bath with shower, laundry area, storage rooms plus space for whatever your needs might be. Lower level is walk out on 3 sides. Spacious attached large 2-car garage. Home has Ruberoid torch plus Granule family room membrane roof.